one leg across the other, holding the hamstring, pulling it up towards the chest, stretching across the glute area. Great exercises to stretch the glutes, and across onto the other leg. Lower back, glutes and hamstrings. This one's really easy. Nice lean forward and try and touch your toes. If you're not able to touch your toes, just hang down as far as you can. Let gravity do its job and pull you towards your toes as you relax. Keep the legs straight. Thank you to Kate and Claire for helping out with the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already to see new videos pop up. Hit the notification bell, or even hit the playlist up here and watch some more. And I'll see you on the next one.